This fish can never separate once it attaches itself to a female. The male permanently fuses with the female's body. He loses his eyes, his teeth, and even most of his internal organs. In the end, his only purpose is to help the female produce offspring. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but a creature like this truly exists on Earth. This unbelievable fish is called Caulophryne jordani, also known as the Fanfin sea devil. Today, we're going to discover the incredible story of love and survival of one of the ocean's most mysterious fish, Caulophryne jordani. Caulophryne jordani lives at depths of approximately 1,000 to 4,000 meters below the ocean's surface. At these depths, sunlight never reaches. There is nothing but complete darkness, freezing temperatures, and an extreme shortage of food. In such an environment, simply finding another member of the same species is almost impossible. That's why millions of years of evolution have given this fish one of the strangest reproductive strategies on Earth. The female Caulophryne jordani is much larger than the male. She has a long bioluminescent lure extending from the front of her head. This glowing lure is produced with the help of specialized bacteria. In the darkness of the deep sea, the light attracts small fish and shrimp. The moment her prey gets close enough, she opens her enormous mouth and swallows it whole. But the female's greatest challenge is finding a mate. That's because these fish are extremely rare in the deep sea and live very far apart from one another. The male Caulophryne jordani is incredibly small compared to the female. In some cases, he is only 1/10 her size. He has only one goal in life: to find a female, no matter what it takes. For this mission, his sense of smell is far more powerful than his eyesight. He follows the chemical signals released by the female through the water until he finally finds her. And once he does, something truly unbelievable happens. The male bites firmly onto the female's body, but this is not temporary. Gradually, their skin fuses together. Then, even their blood vessels become connected. From that moment on, the male never feeds on his own again. Instead, he receives oxygen and all of his nutrients directly from the female's bloodstream. As time passes, his eyes, teeth, stomach, and nearly all of his organs become useless. Only his testes remain functional. In other words, he becomes a living reproductive organ that depends entirely on the female's body. Whenever the female releases her eggs, the attached male immediately releases sperm to fertilize them. As a result, there is never any need to search for a mate again. As strange as this may seem to us, it is an extraordinary survival strategy for the harsh conditions of the deep sea. Normally, when the tissue of another organism enters an animal's body, the immune system attacks it. But in this fish, the female does not reject the male. Instead, she accepts him as part of her own body. Hidden in the darkness of the deep ocean, Caulophryne jordani proves that the real world can sometimes be even more astonishing than fiction. Had you ever heard of this incredible fish before? Let us know in the comments. We'll be back in our next video with the story of another mysterious creature. Thanks for watching.